Hello guys, this is Ash Dude, and today we were talking about, I think you have seen the title. The title is about the logo, and yes, we were talking about the logo. Now today we will learn how to make a logo. How to make a normal gaming logo. So there is a link in the description and you have to go there, and I'm going directly because I don't have a time. So the link will open like this and you have to just click here, click on the link, and it is Google Drive, and here are some pics. So if you want to make like that, you have to download each by each, but as you can see I already have downloaded these. So now we are directly going to use these. So open with Photoshop. We are directly going to open them with Photoshop, and we will directly use it. Adobe Photoshop, and once again Adobe Photoshop, and just we have to do that. We have to go on the file section and the new, and on the new we have to select in the project size 1218 to 720, and as per your demand you can choose any other. Okay, and so we have choose and we have named it Lego gaming. So logo gaming is there and it is opened. It is a white sheet, and let's put something. So for selecting these you have to go on the select, then color range, and in the color range you have to just click on the white. White here as it is highlighting here, and click on OK. And after clicking you have to just press Ctrl Shift I. Okay, and just click and drag it to here. Done? Yeah, done. Then leave it, and first we will make a logo. So this is transparent, and for logo we have to write our name. So this is Ash Dude, so I will write my name. This is so big, approx you should put it on 60. Okay, and on 60 I will write my name, like you can see. Oh sorry, that's right, so white is matching. Let me put it black, and yeah, Ash, and here another text. You can new text, and here gamer. Okay, and another new text here. What gamer? No, you just like this, GAMER, all capital. And if you want to change, then you can do like this, pro, pro, and then gamer. And sorry, I have not mentioned that in that link you will also get I haven't added it, but I will add now, and you will get a font. You will get fonts, and so from fonts you can I'm changing it by fonts, and that font is present in the description. So after this video is go in the description and press on the link and download that font immediately, because that is amazing. Just its name is Scriptina, and yeah, we have choose that font, Scriptina, copied, and I will apply it to all. Gamer, font, Scriptina. As you can see, it is applied, and now I have to make a little bit like this is strong, this is 60, this is regular. I have to do is that make it bold, but it is I think already good, so just I have to do that. I have to hold here and do like it. Yeah, now good. Apply. Now we will click on we will click on ash. We will do the same process, like I think we should do like that too. I think that's the same size. Yeah, so we gonna make an, it's not looking that much great, so we have to make it look great. No, now looking, ash is looking great, and for that we have to make it strong, and here we can make it more good. Yeah, from here for export, so click on here and then cut it and do the same process with gamer. Just go on the gamer, click on T, just drag your mouse here from here and click on the T and and click here and just click here and then close, and then we will move to programmer. In programmer, what you have to do is click on T, text, and select all. After selecting all, just click here, yeah, right here, yeah, just click here, and here you have to put, you write 1000, yeah, 1000, you write 1000, and from here choose one font. So tell me one good font. I think Comic Sans will be good, as it is bold. Great, like this, and gamer like little bit this. So here our logo is ready. You might say, oh my gosh, this is not that much amazing that I have thought. So for that we have to make it more amazing. There are many such things, so let me tell you. Then again click here. Now we'll move, so listen me clearly. Adjust everything, layer 2, go to the select and click color range, and in color range click on the white portion. Okay, understand? Listen me, click on the white portion like these. I have pressed a lot of time. Click on OK, and then again the same, not the same process. Go here, click on brush and maintain brush size, and from here choose a color, like a color of blue might be great. Okay, I have chosen, and you can choose your own color, like these. Yeah, you can see it's getting little bit, it's looking little bit good. So yeah, and you should press Ctrl+D. Yeah, but it's not looking good that much still. Let's do something. We should put these into these, so just drag it here, and this one too, drag it here. And you are saying it is black, so we have to do is just put it here and apply, and layer 3 we put it like this and apply. You have to do that. Just see here, normal, you have to choose in difference, and from here you have also, you should choose difference, and do it accordingly to yours sufficiently and what do you want, because from my view this one is good, and this one too. So I'm making them more larger, like this. Yeah, that's gamer, and I've expanded it. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, good. And in layer 4, do like that, just expand it. I think it was like that. We have to do like that. Yeah, just press control and from here do like this, and from here like this, press here, apply. Yeah, little bit turn it. Now it might be looking great. Here, apply background. So our logo is, guys, our logo is ready, absolutely ready. You just have to press Ctrl Shift and S, and on desktop we just choose JPG and press save button into, and you can see here this is our logo. Yeah, this, it is great, not that much great but great. And if you will put many more things you can, and from that you can make it looks awesome. That is awesome, but you can make anything look amazing. You can make an amazing logo. And for today, that much. And guys, thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe if it will help you. And tell me in the comment section, what is the best, and tell me on what topic I should make a video for you. So thank you guys, hope you like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you.